Hi, on today's episode, we'll be looking at the mockingbird.
This is the northern mockingbird, Mimos platygatos. It is a mockingbird commonly found in North America. This bird is mainly a permanent resident, but northern birds may move south during harsh weather. The species has rarely been observed in Europe. The northern mockingbird is known for its mimicry ability. It is reflected by its scientific name, meaning many-tongued thrush. The bird is an omnivore, eating both insects and fruit. It is often in open areas and forest edges, but forages in grassy land. The northern mockingbird breeds in southeastern Canada, the United States, northern Mexico, the Bahamas, and the Cayman Islands.